Yo, GC fam. Well, I'm gonna do this super fast because I wanna take advantage of this dip on BTC. BTC USDT. I'm trading on Pionex. You have my link down below and also pin it in the first comment. Well, I'm up almost 100 USD. Yeah, let's go. Well, I bought the perfect dip. Well, 124, 134. Yeah. I'm gonna change to 5 minutes. Okay, close to 200. Let's print easy money. Whatever question you have about trading with leverage, let me know. Well, waiting, more. Has to break the previous resistance. Okay, over 200. Yeah, 234. Let's go. Okay, at least 300. Let's go. Okay, over 200, 211. This is BTC USDT. Okay, I bought like 2000 USD, over 2000 USD. Okay. I saw this perfect dip and I said, okay, I have to start recording because this gonna be epic. This gonna be epic. This dip, because patience pays off. Okay, over 200. Okay, maybe gonna touch again my entry, but let's see what's gonna happen. Because I sold here, I opened a short position, I made some juicy money some minutes ago, and then I have waiting for another dip to buy and open a long position. Let's go. Yeah, because I think, one second. Yeah, could do something like this. Yeah, because if do that, I'm gonna print a lot. Okay, so chilling. Okay. It's touching more or less my entry. Well, I would like to show you Ethereum, Solana and all, but I have to focus on this one. Here on Pionex, you can swap crypto, BTC, meme coins, you can buy and sell, you can trade with leverage, you can customize your own bot. You know, the artificial intelligence is developing super fast, so we have to adapt to the market and take advantage of the current conditions of the market. You have my link down below, broskis. Well, whatever question you have, just let me know. Okay, has to touch more. I'm gonna check the buy pressure, the candles. Okay, the buy pressure is super powerful, but okay, let's see. Red candle, but it's a small red candle. The entry was good. The entry was really good. Also broke this resistance. Exactly. Let's see if break this one. If break this one, oh my god, I'm gonna cook really good. Okay, 300. Let's go. One sec. Yeah. Waiting. Patience pays off. Yeah, the buy pressure is super high. Okay. Up almost 300. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, trading bots, multis, orders, history, order history, transaction history, funding fee, transfer. Okay, oof, what a big green candle. Okay, so basically touch, and now it's dipping again. But I'm chilling. Maybe gonna touch my entry, but let's see. The entry was really good, so I don't want to cheat, you know? Because as you can see, this is the perfect entry. Okay, over 200. Okay. Okay, 269. And these futures. 313. Well, 230. Okay, it's dipping a little bit. Exactly, maybe gonna touch my entry. But let's see. I'm gonna remove all these blue lines because I have been trading today a lot. Yeah, it's Sunday, 2:43 p.m. Okay, dipping. Maybe could be a good opportunity to buy again. Okay, ooh, the buy pressure is crazy. So this is basically the bottom of the day. Okay. I'm down 100 USD, but chilling. Remember to join to the GC House, the Discord community, where you are gonna meet successful traders. You are gonna gain insane knowledge. Of course, if you are consistent, you are gonna improve trade by trade, and your win rate gonna be higher. Okay, by pressure. Chilling. This is the resistance. So we can see something like this. Yeah. Okay, it's dipping. Ooh, maybe you're gonna touch the next level. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, 142. What about Ethereum? I bought like 30 minutes ago the perfect dip on Ethereum, then I sold, and now it could be another good entry this floor. What about BTC? Yeah, the entry was good. The entry was really good. Okay, in the last 24 hours, BTC has decreased 0.78%. Well, normally on Sundays is the best moment to buy Bitcoin because always deep. Usually deep on Sunday. Most of the cryptocurrencies. Okay, I'm up over 200. Yeah, 260. Yeah. I'm gonna close. 234. Close. 250. 264 USD. I know it's going up. Doesn't matter. I don't wanna get FOMO. Cooking! You have the link down below and also in the pinned comment. Whatever question you have about trading with leverage, let me know. Yo fam, until now, this morning I have print GC money. I bought the fucking bottom on Ethereum, I sold at the top. Also on BTC today, I bought the perfect dip, I sold. Here again, I bought the perfect dip and I sold. I mean, I could be up like 600 USD now, but I don't wanna get FOMO. Yes, as I mentioned before, maybe gonna do something like this, you know, because this dip is a really good dip. Let's see in 15 minutes. Maybe could go here to these levels. This entry is also a really good entry at 64k, 68k. But okay, profits are profits, fam. Okay, really good. Here on Pionex, you can trade with leverage, customize your own bots, buy crypto, whatever crypto, BTC, Ethereum, meme coins, trade with leverage. You can customize, yeah, your own bot, and the best of all, without KYC. That's why I also really like. Plus, the fees are super low. The fees are super low. This is an American exchange, so they have a lot of liquidity and it's very well known in the ecosystem. Okay, broskis, you have all the links down below. See you in the next video, legends, and let's print GC money. Let's go.